what are the signs of making this long-term tech stick? How can you tell that
Yeah.
it's actually sticking? What are you seeing? Tell me what that looked like in your district's campuses.
So when you walk into our buildings, you'll see our change in instructional practices. They're more student centered in how we are teaching and learning with our students in the classroom. So there'll be a less stage on the stage and more guide on the side when you're walking through our buildings. And we don't focus on necessarily that tech tool. We focus on what is the instructional objective you're trying to meet with your students? How will you get them there? What resources might you use? And then where does EdTech come in and fit with that? Can it enhance it? Can it engage them more in the learning, or can it give them more extended learning opportunities? And so hearing staff talking about this when I'm walking through buildings, getting pulled to the side, being like, I just tried this on BenQ. Oh my gosh, the engagement with my students was through the roof and it was amazing. Or I'm working with a student. They haven't really interacted a lot in the past, but I did stations and BenQ was at one of the stations, and this student is leading his peers through learning how to solve a problem on the board because they can be more hands-on. And finding those where students necessarily are not sitting in rows and desks quiet, but they're actually having conversations, they're collaborating with their peers, and they're problem solving. So looking at how our instructional practices are changing and shifting within our district is really a key indicator of how well the implementation is going with our EdTech resources.